I just want to run through why we use WordPress and a Lightspeed server for our EZY Drop Shipping websites, our Aussie DIY websites, and our smart SEO websites and e-commerce websites for clients. And it's very simple. It is because WordPress is the most Google-friendly website platform globally, especially when it's done right. And we also use a Lightspeed server, and a Lightspeed server is so much faster than having just a normal Apache or Linux server. And I'm just going to give you a bit of a demo now. So our EZY Drop Shipping websites, our Aussie DIY websites, and our smart SEO websites and e-commerce websites are smart SEO websites. And the reason is because they are search engine friendly, globally the most search engine friendly, Google friendly. We manage the website for you, so there's less headaches for you. They're automated. We do backups to a cloud server for your peace of mind. We do that daily. They're responsive, so easier for the visitor to read and navigate on all devices and screens. And we are traffic to conversion focused to help you deliver more traffic, conversions, and thus more profit in your business. Now, the reason why we use WordPress, now there's right and wrong ways to use WordPress. From our experience of many decades using WordPress, we've got a very good handle on it. But to give you an idea, WordPress is the most Google friendly. We use WordPress because it enhances crawling and indexing. So the partnership between Google and WordPress has resulted in improved crawling and indexing of WordPress websites. The Google search bots are integrated into WordPress. And there's a way to amplify the performance of that as well. And that's what our smart SEO websites do. And because the bots quickly identify and index new and updated pages within WordPress. Now, some of the large websites that use WordPress, some of the big companies globally, are the New York Times, a lot of book publishers, Reader's Digest, the Obama Foundation, Rolling Stones, and the Observer, the White House, the Harvard Gazette, the New York Times, and the list just goes on and on and on. But most of the large media companies globally use WordPress because their posts get indexed faster, and the new results can show instantly in a Google search. And when we stop and consider there's 2,500 new websites going up every minute, that 45 or 46 per second, that's a couple of million a day. That's a hell of a lot. Anyway, so that's why CNN Press also use WordPress. But on top of us using WordPress and using it well, is that we also have a Lightspeed server. And to give you a Lightspeed server gives compared to your normal shared server, gives 40% faster CPU performance, a 2 times faster first byte, which is when the page first loads, 9 times more traffic compatibility, and 3 times faster read-write speeds. So here's a couple of graphs to show you Lightspeed compared to the other two normal website hosting. So as you can see, Lightspeed, the response time in milliseconds, is lower, which is good. Then we have the request per second is higher for Lightspeed, which is great. And the transfer rate in kilobytes. As you can see, Lightspeed is so much better than your standard hosting that comes with Shopify, GoDaddy, Squarespace, Weebly, Wix, you name it, anything else that's not WordPress. But remember, with WordPress, there's right and wrong ways to use WordPress. So you need to talk to someone that's got experience with WordPress. So that's just to give you a bit of an idea of what it is, and just to show you some facts. Here is the Lightspeed cache, and you can only use Lightspeed cache on a website, on a WordPress website that's hosted on a Lightspeed server. So this is before the cache is 4.43 seconds is the page load time. After is 1.26 seconds with all the images, everything else loading, an improvement of 72%. So the page speed score from 66, very average, to 98, nearly perfect, is 33%. And that is without using a content delivery system. So I hope that was helpful and insightful. And if you've got any questions, just reach out and contact us. So just in closing, the smart choice is a smart SEO website, and that's what is used for EZY Drop Shipping, Aussie DIY websites, and all our smart SEO websites and e-commerce websites that we do for clients. Anyway, talk soon. Any questions, just reach out to us at Find Net Solutions. Talk soon.